I'll tell you what gets me really fired up for working for General Motors is being able to get into the renewable and sustainability area. I mean, this is something that I've had a lot of passion in and something that I've really been able to take from learning my powerhouse experience and then being able to understand contracts and then taking it to the renewable energy side. There's unlimited boundaries when it comes to renewable energy. The sun shines everywhere, the wind blows at certain times of the day, water's flowing and landfill gases are being generated. I mean, it's just, there's so many different opportunities, and I think as you look at it, it's really become mainstream in the general public. Everybody really understands the impact that carbon has on the atmosphere and how the impact of renewable energy can support sustainability, and that it's not just the sun, it can also be wind, it can also be small hydro, it can also be biomass, that there's multiple sources that are going to come into play as we wean ourselves off of coal and other fossil fuels. Now, General Motors has 4 facilities that actually utilize landfill gas. We are the second largest industrial user of landfill gas, and the cost savings of these contracts have been pretty significant, in excess of about $5 million a year. We've been a strong leader in the usage of renewables. It really dates back to 1993 when we did our first landfill gas project in conjunction with the EPA Landfill Methane Outreach Program, which really helped develop the landfill gas projects and growth in the U.S. You look at solar. Rancho Cucamonga was the first 1 megawatt rooftop array in the U.S., commissioned in 2006. We expanded that to Zaragoza, Spain, where we created an 11.87 megawatt solar array, which today is still the largest rooftop solar array in the world. Currently, we house nearly 30 megawatts of solar energy on our rooftops across the globe, and between now and 2015, we want to double that to 60 megawatts. And I think you have a lot of opportunity here in the U.S., especially in our growth markets in China and India and Africa, to really look at some opportunities for renewable energy. You look at doubling it from 30 to 60 megawatts, and that's basically the power equivalent to 10,000 homes. In the U.S., if you look at it beyond the U.S., where you have less energy-intensive homes, you're not air conditioning, you're not heating as much as you are, you could probably expand that, double, triple some of the homes. I think it's important to make sure that General Motors has renewable energy in every facility if we can get there. And one of the key components in the case of Orion Assembly, you're driving a high-mileage Chevy Sonic or Buick Verano, is made via sustainable manufacturing. I mean, 40% of the energy consumed by that facility is from renewable energy. That's a real key tie as you look at the consumer from a high-mileage product that we're actually building it in a low-carbon footprint facility. We just commissioned a 516 kilowatt array at our Detroit Hamtramck facility where the Chevrolet Volt is made. So not only are you building it in a sustainable manufacturing facility, you're building a vehicle that can run 100% on renewable energy if you're a homeowner that actually puts a residential solar unit on their rooftop. Clean, clean, clean all the way through, from sustainable manufacturing, a green vehicle, and a green consumer.